Damn, this bird. He's pissed off at Arrow somehow. He tried to attack Arrow. Damn, this bird. He is pissed off at Arrow somehow. He tried to attack Arrow. He tried to come after him. Might have to smack a bird down right now, Arrow. I don't know why they're trying to come after me. I just had to run away. Maybe because you look like a little rodent, Arrow. Him don't look like a rodent. See? There's that fucking bird coming after him again. I don't know why this bird's coming after my dog. This bird is coming after Arrow. That's fucking crazy. Ooh, he is pissed at Arrow for some reason. Here he goes. Here he goes after Arrow. I don't know why he's going after him. I don't know why he's going after him like that. That's crazy. He's pissed off at Arrow for some reason. Arrow didn't do anything to you. There's a bird. That's fucking crazy. Well, I can't right now. He's stupid. Watch this bird, see what he does. That is crazy. He's out for dog blood for some reason. I have to grab a broom and smack him. Arrow's just sitting there chilling. He don't even care. He just knows there's a bird coming after him. There he is. He's probably going to get a high advantage point and come swoop in and try to stab Arrow. It's weird. Oh, here he comes again. Oh, we try to get him while he's pooping. I don't know what that bird is doing to Arrow. Maybe he wants to be your friend, Arrow. Here he comes again. Damn, that bird is fucking weird. Alright, Arrow, let's go.